things, what all is asked in the IIM interview. So now that the IIM interviews have started for the 2025-26 intake, here are some things that you should know about what all is being asked in the IIM interviews. You can expect questions around your educational qualifications, around your grades. If you have low grades, then you need to explain those about the subjects that you have studied in your undergraduate studies. The second part that you can expect in your IIM interviews will be around your work experience. So because you are going in for the IMA PGPX or the IMBE PGP or any of the IM 1 year MBA programs with prior work experience, expect questions around your professional experience, roles, and responsibilities. The third thing to expect in an IM interview is knowledge about the current or the recent national and international events, economic policies, and business news. The fourth thing would definitely be general knowledge. You should know about things around you in terms of geography, politics, sports, and culture. The sixth thing that you can expect in an IM interview is a good discussion about your short term and long term career aspirations and how the MBA fits into these. Next comes why you want to pursue an MBA. What is your motivation for pursuing an MBA and why do you choose that particular IM? The eight type of questions in the IM interview could be any question around your field of work or around your graduation subjects. Ninth, expect questions around analytical and problem solving. It could be hypothetical scenarios, it could be case studies, it could be puzzles. They do like to test your thinking process. The next set of questions would be probably around situations to assess your ethical standards, your decision making, and what are the leadership skills that you are coming in with. An underlying principle throughout the IM interview would be a test of your communication skills. How do you articulate your thoughts clearly? And that is definitely going to be assessed in the IM interview. Stress interviews. So sometimes the interview may ask challenging questions, put you in a tight spot, or put you into a pressure situation to see how you handle pressure. So these are some things that you need to be prepared for when you are walking into an IM interview. And how do you prepare for these aspects? Yes, you can study for a lot of them, but then taking up mock interviews and going in through interactions with people who have insights on all of these aspects would definitely be helpful. The idea of a mock interview is not to preempt the questions. Nobody can predict what the IM interview questions will be like. However, the preparation and the pre-read that we go through when we are preparing you for the IM interviews, it will help you prepare for a larger part of the discussion so that you are comfortably settled when you are handling the IM interview.